and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. This little lady here is Ava. Ava is, how old are you? 3. Today we are going to be doing a fairy garden. So we live in an apartment, so it's going to be out on our balcony here. Yes, we've bought some stuff, some flowers, some compost, a long window box and some fairy garden bits that I picked up that I'll share with you now. And we're going to make a little fairy garden out in the balcony, aren't we? Yeah.
Up there!
Yeah, out there, yeah.
Up there, whole way.
The whole way over there, yeah. So that is what we're going to be doing. It's going to be like a container fairy. It's going to be a fairy or container. It's in a container. Why can't I speak? But yeah, we have a very small balcony that we want to dress up this year. We want it to look nice, and that's what this video is going to be about. So yes. We'll also be doing, I'll also be doing a balcony makeover video, which will be out next week. So do subscribe if you are interested in seeing how we transform our balcony for the summer months. So this is everything that we're going to be using. We have the compost here. We have little bits of fairy stuff. So I bought this fairy door. As you can see, it was €1.50. We then have a little seesaw. A tree arch, a little tree saw, yeah. We have this kind of a garden path and sign, and then we have this one, which is a little it's like a little tap with the bird and a little pond. I got 2 of these little guys just because, why not? And then for the flowers for the garden, oh yeah, this is what we're going to be putting it in. We bought this big long box, and it is, you can see here, it is 78 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide. So in here we are going to be putting the following. Where do we want these things to go?
Right there. No, I put on, mommy. No. I put on, mommy.
Put it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, play, mommy. Hello.
You playing?
Mommy, play, mommy.
I have to put in the flowers.
Oh, play, mommy.
But we can't play. Mama has to put in the flowers. No, hold on, hold on.
Red poo. No?
So our fairy garden is complete. It's very basic, but it is exactly what we're looking for. So I've left spaces, I kind of left gap between the flowers. I don't know if they're gonna spread or grow or what's gonna happen. As I said, or I might have said at the start of this, I'm a complete newbie. I have no idea about gardens and stuff. And this is now going to go out onto our balcony. And I think it's gonna look really, really cool.
Oh, hey, Mom.
So that's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I would love to see your fairy gardens that you make, and you can send them to me on Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to have posts on both of those, so I would love if you share with me your fairy gardens. It is very basic. It is going on a balcony, it is in a container, but I actually really like it. I think it's simple and I like simplistic things. So that is it from myself and dirty faced Ava, who doesn't want to be on the camera. Don't you not? No. Say bye.
Bye.
Give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new, and we will talk to you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.